New customer alert. New customer alert. What's up, guys? I'm fucking tired of this bitch. Today we out here with this 2019 Honda Accord. Customer says she got her wheel bearing changed and still hearing problems. I forgot to even check before I started loosening the tire, but I can't even say that's any play right there, because hold on, actually let me tighten these shits back up. We gonna feel around for some play. I really don't think it's the wheel bearing though. She just got it fixed. Yeah, never mind. Let me get this over though. For people that don't know, this is called a wheel lock. As you can see, this lug nut is different than all the rest of the ones. I took the other two off, but you need this to take your tire off. They use this just in case people don't steal people's tires and stuff. But I'm gonna get this tire off and then I'm gonna come right back with y'all. I'm out. I'm gonna see if I can record it for you. Well, yeah. Did you get your axle replaced?
I think I did. No, wait a minute. No, I didn't.
Because it looked like, if you didn't get it replaced, it looked like whoever's seen it or caught it tried to like zip tie the shit back, but the whole boot is off the axle.
What?
See if you come look. Oh, I got it. I think I recorded it a little bit, but basically, I don't know if you can. Where my hand is right now. Look all the way to the back. If you can see, there's a fucking zip tie on the boot.
A fucking zip tie?
Yeah, look. You see?
Yes, I think I see it.
And that it's supposed to be connected to that metal, and it's all the way off. And you said you got the wheel bearing switch, right?
Yeah. I'm
trying to think of, because you have to like fake take this off to put the wheel bearing on.
Yeah.
But I don't see how the fuck he would break it and then and then just zip tie it back. But you can definitely see that's what's causing the noise. At first I thought it was just because he didn't even put your the heat shield back.
It was dragging. Yeah, somebody was gonna put it back up for me, but I'm like, what today actually?
Yeah, that's what I was looking at first. I was like, I thought it was just the heat shield, but then as soon as I just looked, I'm like,
he zip tied the fucking axle.
Kind of, sort of. Like he put it back, but that boot is supposed to be inside connected, so the boot must have ripped when he took it out, and then he tried to like zip tie it back, so it looked like it was already just good. But I'm trying to think. That shit is just a inner. That's the inner tie rod. It ain't gonna be that much. That'll be quick. Damn, that's kind of whack though.
Yeah, why would you do some dumb shit like that?
Let me check though. Yeah, cause that would be definitely the problem with the noise. Let me see if there's anything else though before. Okay. Wow, that's crazy.
What? You see it more?
Nah, I was just saying, like, he didn't even tell you that.
Fucking idiot.
Yeah, chat. So, customer's gonna be ordering an inner tie rod so it could be replaced. Whoever replaced this last, I don't know. I ain't gonna blame them. For some reason, it's a zip tie on the end, and the whole boot is off the bush. Off the boot. I'm gonna zip this back up. She gonna order the part. I'll be back out here to fix this thing up. It's your boy, ain't that mechanic JAH. I'm out. I gotta really get better at this outros, bro. I'm tired of this shit, man. But another day, another dollar. I'm out.